How you doing? This is Nelson Skelo Rojas coming to you live from LES in New York City. Here I am with my man checking out a brand new Skyway T, just been sprung out with graphite mags. I'm an OG of BMX from back in the 70s. I rode Mongoose back in 1974. Right now I'm working with Jimmy Mack at Bulldog Bikes, representing. Here I am at LES. This is the bike of now, people. The Skyway T, 21 and a quarter inch top tube. Amazing setup with the mags, white tires, and GT 3-piece. So for all you OG guys that want to ride brand new bikes again, they're bringing them back. They're bringing them back, so come back home. And you're watching BMX Hood on CAC TV. This is Nelson Skelo Rojas coming to you live from LES. Signing out, later.
Check this out, it's your boy Crazy Out Cayne, man. You know what I'm saying? We on the tour right now, the old school bike tour, riding around through New York, running into people who they see the TA and reminisce about back in the day. I keep telling them, yo, this is 2013, so you better get up on it, and everybody's feeling it. So that's what it is, Skyway TA 2013. We taking a little tour